Hi everybody, it's Mila from your Euro Laser family. I hope everybody's doing well during this hard time and be safe at home. Today I'm gonna show you a night routine focused on hyperpigmentation and skin texture. We're gonna start with our glycolic cleanser. Glycolic, it's a good acid who works really good in hyperpigmentation. So we're gonna wet the face. You can use a sponge or a cloth to remove the cleanser. Okay. Now we're gonna let it dry. And then we're gonna use our brightening pads. They have hydroquinone and kojic acid that is going to work directly in the hyperpigmentation. So we're going to take one pad and we're going to go all around the face. We have to be careful with the eyes and always leftovers to the neck, because the neck is the extension of your face. When we finish with that, next step is the retinol. This is a brightening concentrate serum. I'm gonna use the 5X because my skin is resting. For those with sensitive skin, I would recommend to start with the 2X. This one, we're not gonna do it every day. We're gonna start once a week and then we're gonna incorporate twice a week. Okay, so we have this serum here. And we have to be careful with the eyes. And remember, everything goes to the neck. We're gonna let it absorb for a few seconds. And then our next step to complement all the regimen is this is a brightening tool, it's a pigment corrector, and it's a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid as well. And then we're going to apply our moisturizer. And remember, neck. And the last step, and important too, our eye cream. A little bit. And we're going to start. Want to tap a little bit, and don't forget the eyelids as well. And voila, we're ready to go to sleep.